I posed 10 simple, straightforward questions to the authorities as follows. Number 1. Are Irish judges subject to the law and the Constitution? 2. Are members of the public entitled to a fair hearing in the Irish courts? 3. Are judges of the district and circuit courts obliged to adhere to Supreme Court rulings? 4. When a person in the pay of the state commits criminal offences, are they subject to justice in our courts in the same way as we, the tax-paying public, is? 5. When judges deliberately break the law, the Constitution, their solemn oaths of office, or any other act or statute in the courtroom, does this or does this not render that particular hearing invalid? 6. Are members of the public obliged to comply with unlawful, unconstitutional or criminal directions from an authority figure such as a Garda, the court service or the judiciary? 7. Am I or any other law-abiding member of the public safe from Garda assault, injury or incarceration in the courtroom as long as we are not engaged in any unlawful activity? 8. What processes or procedures exist to protect the public from serious misconduct on the part variously of the judges of all the different courts? 9. Why did Minister for Justice Frances Fitzgerald lie in a signed letter which she sent to TDs Claire Daly and Mick Wallace, stating that there was no statutory procedure to inquire about the misconduct of district court judges, and also stating that she, as Minister for Justice, had no role to play in advancing a formal application signed by thousands of members of the public and submitted via the TDs demanding the impeachment of a local judge? And finally, number 10, I asked, why are state-sponsored lawyers such as Mr. Vincent Deane, the Mayo State Solicitor, being paid up to €800 an hour, often for years upon years, to defend other wrongdoers in the pay of the state in cases which are utterly indefensible and bound to fail? And I note here that Vincent Deane, the Mayo State prosecutor, appealed against an award of €200 to Joe Ducey for his expenses in an ongoing ridiculous farce, a series of farcical claims in the courts against him. The long and the short of this situation here, folks, and I apologise for the quality and the rush that we're doing this video, but tomorrow morning I am going into Castlebar Court, not because I got some verbal instructions from a couple of local guards, because I've got nothing in writing, not because I believe that the hearings ongoing in Castlebar, where myself and Colm Granahan are being prosecuted for offences which were actually committed by the guards, the court service and the judge who was present on the day. But I'm going in there tomorrow to launch criminal applications for summonses against Minister Frances Fitzgerald for one, against Judge Seamus Hughes for another, and against Judge John Lindsay for another, for offences against the administration of justice.